As we celebrate this Independence Day, we at Aloris Tool Technology want to take a moment to express our heartfelt gratitude to you. The 4th of July is not just a time for fireworks, barbecues, and parades. It's a celebration of freedom, unity, and the spirit of innovation that drives our great nation forward. At Aloris, we are proud to be a part of this American tradition of excellence and ingenuity. For over 60 years, we have been committed to providing you with the highest quality tools, helping you achieve precision and success in every project. This dedication to craftsmanship and innovation is our way of honoring the American values of hard work and determination. As you gather with family and friends to celebrate this special day, we want to thank you for being a part of the Aloris family. Your trust and support inspire us to continue striving for excellence in everything we do. From our family to yours, we wish you a joyful and safe 4th of July filled with pride, happiness, and wonderful memories. Don't forget to check out our special offers at www.aloris.com and celebrate with unbeatable deals on your favorite Aloris products. Also, you can visit www.buyyestools.com and take advantage of the super special discount, 20% off. Yes, you heard that right. 20% off on all products you order online. Happy Independence Day.